What is up, ladies and gentle sirs? And how's it going? Just kidding. You can't respond to that directly. Anyway, today I'm going to be showing you how my claw machine works. First I'll be showing you how it functions, then I'll be showing you how it works. So, here's how it functions. First, it centers itself. It's a claw. Now, it works like any claw machine. You got your forward and backward controls. You got your left and right controls. Alright. And you got your vertical controls, right? So I'm going to be going for this little car right here, because I think it's a pretty nice car. It's just a nice prize. Looks like it's got suspension and everything. So I think that's almost over it. I think I gotta go a little bit to the left, maybe. Alright, now I'm gonna try to drop down. Oh, it looks like a perfect grab, actually. Now I pull the claw up. And here's how you get your prize. There's a thing over there that says prizes. You can't exactly read it because it's backwards, but once I get over there, you'll see. Alright, so you just set these to positive to get it over there. And then you set this to positive to drop the car. And my prize falls out, albeit upside down. It's going to be kind of hard to drive upside down, but, you know, claw machines are meant to rip you off anyway. So it's got forward and backward control. It's got steering. It's a pretty nice car if it was right side up. There's actually a few other prizes, which I'll go in and show you right now. There's a little ball you can grab. There's a little tree. There's this little doll thing. As well as this, which is my personal favorite. It pops out a little face really fast. Anyway, that's all the prizes. And that's how the game functions. Now I'm going to show you how I get the 2-axis behavior and the vertical and grab control all in 3 levers. So lever 1 that controls the forward and backwards is controlled by this. So there's a column of pistons that goes through here, and you can see they extend forwards and push this whole thing across. So this whole thing, all of this and that, all gets pushed, as well as the claw, obviously. So you can actually see that there's 2 triangles here. It looks like a cube is right here. However, it's actually 2 triangles. So you can see I just deleted a whole row of triangles. And then there's this row of triangles, which sits on top of that. So now if I do it, this should just fall down. Actually, it won't, because, of course, this piece is sticking out of the window. Anyway, so this whole apparatus slides across, and that's how it controls the forward and backwards direction. However, you may be wondering how it controls the other direction. And I'll explain that. So there's actually another column of pistons inside this box. There they are. And those control the horizontal direction, or left and right. So you can actually see and watch that piston column extends and pushes this piece along. This sliding piece. It pushes it across, and it has the claw attached. It slides across this lower bar and these 2 upper bars, and that controls this direction. So it's pretty simple actually. Now you may be wondering, well, why did you need to go through all that effort? Why didn't you just do two rows of pistons? Well, actually, pistons are really floppy. So even if I did do 2 rows of pistons, by the time it gets over here, it'll be bending down like all the way down to here, or even snapped. Also, the 2-bar setup here is actually necessary. The lower bar is only kind of necessary. And that's because if you don't have it set up like this, you can't actually reach these long distances, since pistons would be locked to a single location. What I'm talking about is something like this, right? Right, so if I push both these out, or not, I forgot glass isn't conductive. Anyway, basically, if these two get pushed out, right, then, oh god, I'm destroying the map. Then they will get pushed out a little bit, but eventually they just won't work anymore, or they won't work correctly. So I have this whole setup. It's not too complicated, and it works very well, and it makes perfect sense once you understand how it works, and I hope I explained it very well. I'm just going to show off the build now from different angles. You can see that says prizes, and it's got a nice little arrow. You can actually see this claw goes through the wall here. That's why it has to get pulled at the beginning so hard. That's just because I built it too close to the wall, like a fool. You can see there's some nuances here, like this. So the claw actually can't go past this point, which means if I built something like over here, the claw actually wouldn't be able to grab it, but that's just, I had to put that limitation in because of some technical difficulties where the claw would get stuck if it went too far. Anyway, that's the whole thing. I hope I didn't make this too long or rambly. I just wanted to discuss how it works, show off what it does, and that's it. Please like and subscribe, and potentially comment. Only like and subscribe if you liked it. If you didn't like it, don't like or subscribe. In fact, if you didn't like it, obviously dislike. But of course you liked it, right? If you made it to the end here. Also, you can hit that bell notification thingy next to the subscribe bar if you want notifications for when I upload. It will send you notifications on your YouTube. So if you find it really annoying to have a little red circle that says 1 or 2 in it every now and then probably don't click that. But at least subscribe. That would be cool of you. I have more stuff coming later. You can download this in the RobocraftX game sharing Discord. Just look up Claw Machine or Claw Game or something like that. My name on the Discord is Unknown Evil or Aaron. I'll also probably post this on the Reddit. Well, I'll definitely post this on the Reddit. That's about it. This is actually 2.1, so look for Claw Machine 2.1 on the Discord, because that's where I'll be posting it. Anyway, I'm proud of this. I like it. It's very simple, yet a nice engineering problem. Goodbye.